How to log in Warner Music Earning. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Earning Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into Warner Music Earning. Login in Warner Music Earning is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit Warner Music Earning, type this URL into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Once you are on the home page, click on login located at top right corner. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your username or email and your password. Input the username or email associated with Warner Music in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on forget your password. And if you are a new user, click on sign up. Click on sign in. After entering your credential, click on sign in button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.